Hello and welcome. Do you want to learn English with a real story? Today I will tell you about my day, from morning to evening. You will hear useful words and expressions, and at the end, we will learn them together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Anna, and today I want to tell you about my daily routine. Every day is a little different, but this is a normal weekday in my life. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. My alarm rings, and sometimes I want to sleep more, but I know I must get up. First, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I make my bed and open the window. I like fresh air in the morning. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs, bread, and fruit. My favorite fruit is a banana, but today I eat an apple. I also drink a cup of tea with milk. While I eat, I listen to music or a short podcast in English. It helps me learn new words. At 7:30, I get dressed. Today I wear jeans and a blue t-shirt. If it's cold, I also take a jacket. After that, I prepare my backpack, notebook, pens, and a bottle of water. At 8 o'clock, I leave home. I usually go to work by bus. The bus stop is near my house. Sometimes the bus is late and I have to wait. I don't like waiting, but I use this time to read messages on my phone. The ride to work takes about 20 minutes. At work, I sit at a computer. I check emails, write reports, and sometimes talk to my colleagues. They are friendly, and we often laugh together. Around 11 o'clock, we have a short coffee break. I usually drink coffee and eat a small cookie. At 1 o'clock, it's time for lunch. I usually go to a small cafe near the office. Today, I eat chicken with rice and salad. I drink water because I want to stay healthy. Sometimes I eat pizza or pasta, but not every day. In the afternoon, I continue my work. I also have 2 short meetings. One is boring, but the other is interesting. We discuss a new project and I share my ideas. My boss listens and says, "Good job, Anna." I feel happy. At 5 o'clock, work is finished. I go to the bus stop again and go home. On the bus, I listen to music. Sometimes I see the same people every day and we smile at each other. When I arrive home, I cook dinner. Today, I make spaghetti with tomato sauce. It is easy but tasty. After dinner, I wash the dishes. In the evening, I have free time. Sometimes I watch a film. Sometimes I read a book. And sometimes I go for a walk in the park. Today, I decide to meet my friend Kate. We go to a cafe, drink tea, and talk about our day. She tells me a funny story about her cat, and we laugh a lot. At 9 o'clock, I come back home. I take a shower, put on my pajamas, and relax. Before I go to bed, I write 3 good things in my notebook. 1. My boss said, "Good job." 2. I met Kate. 3. I ate delicious spaghetti. This helps me feel positive. Finally, at 10:30, I turn off the light and go to sleep. My day is finished. Tomorrow will be another busy but interesting day. Now let's look at some new words and expressions from the story. Alarm. A clock that makes a sound in the morning to wake you up. Example: my alarm rings at 7 o'clock. Make my bed. To put the blanket and pillows in order after sleep. Example: I always make my bed in the morning. Bus stop. The place where the bus picks up people. Example: I wait at the bus stop every day. Colleague. A person you work with. Example: my colleagues are friendly and we laugh together. Healthy. Good for your body. Example: drinking water is healthy. Positive. Feeling good and happy about life. Example: writing good things in a notebook helps me feel positive. Great job! You now know these useful words. Next time, you can use them in your own story. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe and click the bell. Let's learn English together.